wakasa
man oba ehia edijuma de bia edimpuntuo ene nkankro ni yidie neba eno nti sa wo hwa omanka na COVID-19 kodi awo yade ene Ukraine ene Russia da ko ebesense ye ko mu a ama oman bia sikasema tete apansama afei na omanka na ye fa ye ntuma pa afira na abehia se ye behia oba ye de ka barima ho a ebema mpuntuo adore brobrobrobro o magani ne santi eye ekwa ye free Brookings Ashanti Region Caucus anasa chapter ya bota ye nyina ne se ye tai emachi ewo ye mpuntuo ne ye kankuru ene ye hia ye bota ye ne se ye totomo na ya frɛ na ya sere se LPP amanyokuo mu akukuda ya yewra ba womia ene wotu franka amaye edano editum na ofa oba nyamisro ewo ne mu na wonne akristofo afeko ni nyina ato keseti o ho ase ade ne kan no ho se wo bontoa ebemma won mienu akabom ama LPP amanyokuo emfie 2024 aba ye betu ne samenu omumu ayedi
Asanto Faustina Cynthia no we de ani asem fa bi sei mi aminu Asanto Faustina Cynthia aji anu ehunu wasisi ni singina gold ni asem ketwa ebusia ye to akase boro eso wo gwama here osabere ma doctor kwesiata ene wo kasese no kwasem na bamu abuche din chorotchoro ne mira ni bia bai na amanyokwa kase mienu e wo mani mu no wo machiritafo epeso wo mo ma wo gwan no a ne bonyo sokra 2024 wo gwa fetu afahye na wo pan entoma on celebrating the city of the first our people and our future and no dey asemi to January akane ye ma me Charlotte say ya wono na bato atran ye na woda no wono no yi ni se ojom trani enfama committee no osabere makwesi ata
politics we go ahead you mean what are support to the politicians and then the registration keke mameti so en kwanza ibi sasikano sayo acharmo wogwai abetsa what actually was in the keke secretary travel eye gidara on say igwai is na ye instrument now ma ejuma oza shahenson ya boshe zamoto da mobokodo a police for wo be ha already me wana akasa koro ya bakasa bi o obiara wa ya na adunde onye nsesan eya si ye ntumi nya na tinagwa ya wo ma ya nsesa na
ogwama he osabere ma doctor kwesata ene yekete ni kase no na ye to aso no ne chese madam Charlotte say a committee no wono no da no enso de bi to aso.
We own this land. No one is going to build Cape Coast for us. If Cape Coast has to be built, if Cape Coast has to be lifted up, it must start from us. Popular saying that a ground must be laid to rest. We must become a good people. This saying has kept so many children of Cape Coast away from the land. We cannot continue to brag and joke that we are not a good people. We are a good people. We have a rich history.
Ye board ye remwa enra Achimota District Court kwasitran obrano temboafo yera prince osewusuti adwamu eno ne de abrante be lordo ebegyina mira nanim no de remand humagu ni metre so nkodam no onwendwen ne nsem ho ene na doyafo no ye biada nenso antentam setifo bera kaya enche kra ena kaswa Millennium City Pro Station na kire se wosre ne friend se Lance Corporal Michael Danso ene nuanu mienu Lance Corporal Abdul Oman Rahman ene Lance Corporal Ametus Matthew womo yese nipa bi atene aba wono masase suntie koye complain yanka bi hyemu o be lord chi atubraman wo bra sa bre no na abrante dan so sira niti ni ka mu bo nti mu tuo community mkacha e wo manu mu na bre no akopie court no e na abrante sira ni abusuafo se ene ekumpra ko na menko aya womo so ni abrante be lord be wiwi sanse bra wo botuo no na protifo gina ho wo man carry tinye na ne yede ne ba court a wo mba bebo ne ho ban abusuafo na ne enya
ya faso ho eti enije dia bi ni yemu ana me ni gidie bi anso woni mu bio me ni gidie bi biara woni mu okwan ya ode ye fast because boy ni wuye no 1 week ansa na busuafo no eye se ye kwakoya mane e wo bia bia ye bo ni tuo ho e no krampo ni na police fo no e prevent say omo ma ye kwan e ma ye nkonkoya mane e ya tofuo enti na se mpanimfo mi ehia ni ye koyi ni kra ne honhom ni di kofie omo so omo mpren eni ye koyi asa adwuma ni nyina besi ne IGP 1 week na won kasa besi na won kasai won hwehwe abusia no na sabio se ni nua ba eni na nakọ akon awi ane be yawu ya e ko betena sesa be ra medini ho yawo
se owuo no yenso owuo no mama ya kwan ya tumi nti ya yedun no abranti ya wawu yi oye chini ono ko tutuo na be say na nado president what say president what the politics onu asoma na mugu Ghana for ese na nado nya me papa me nana ete say on fa se mu ni agro
oh yani aye diemu o wachini danso Ewurade mfa kra ensie ye papa emu oya na osofo orama ne bon nsem to Fatima to Abubakar ena sabre wakasa ni nyina da Third African Media Convention jumedi e ko so nkran ena osi aban ne de hyehyɛ sonko de agu akwamu edwo mani bedi social media ntoato anu achi kwan nipa bibu esire mu kasam tumfuturo de gu ade hye ne eno osi ne ho hyehyɛ ni ada blueprint ye de aba kwan ye befa so e be kyerɛkyerɛ ne ye ne a ye tie nkyɛn a ye hwɛ bie ne betumi anya nimudie papa e woni ema ekoso social media ne so na ma befo kwa so ene ebedi dwumadie no nyina Fatima edinsam itudwa e wo dwumadie no ase
committed to expanding the scope of these programs so that they reach all journalists in our country. Furthermore, as part of efforts to combat impunity and ensure accountability, the Ministry of Information has been actively engaging with the Judicial Service. We have advocated for severe punishments by the judiciary for those who attack journalists and media houses. We must hold those who attempt to silence the press accountable for their actions. And we will spare no effort in pursuing justice for victims of such unwarranted attacks. Our great nation, Ghana, recognizing the gravity of this challenge, has taken proactive measures to combat the rampant spread of misinformation.
Ababa wa kasa ye Fatima to Abubakar wono na yama ne bosoafo na dwumadie no ase no a na wo mde aba beto dwa wo mu kire mu se media information digital ni nuanom ekeka kan ne anya asam ketu ayi mu no eye kwan ba ko a wo mu fa so na wo matumi asisi ban ni titiru ene sai santwerofo betumi anya fa ahudie na ye adwuma obi ntumi popo na ni so enkyere yen nipa be se mpimie no ene wo gi santitie ya ebi ye eye policy makers asoafo won ma hwehwe nsem researchers academics ene santwerofo bi kura so eka ho conference no wase na Robert Kwabrajonfo wono na president de Ghana Journalists Association na osaye coach dwumadie ni mu wono so ekasai na sema no wakasa ho ne say the African media we want enhancing freedom, innovation and environmental sustainability in the dynamic media landscape and no and anu ogina so wakasa ene enya sam ketu a wo so ma eba ba bi ebedan ba bi ebedi nyada won ma preso ediama wonom
ta metimi akase danson because say at the kese bonika se me friend say the biggest thing that ever happened to the Ghanaian media and AC and no if you are part of the media society, if you are part of the Inky fraternity in Ghana, Busumana is anwawa na ise eniji na ise ye friend saying asema yasempa isan say o hwe ebibimamu nyina nsɛmtwerɛ dwumaku ekueku a wakasa efa nsɛmtwerɛfo efa hudie ene ye kankomu enina ne yaba behyiemu ewo aha ye friends Accra Ghana ha na o hwe ye kan sana na ye kan say the largest gathering, the biggest gathering of the media in Ghana.
Owura bete Jonfo One na ye dwam trani di ma Ghana ensentro dwuma no kuo no wona edano Chief Executive Officer di ma Ghana Shippers Authority ora kwasi ba for sapon e de atu dwa se wo ye de obetum biada so ko yi cargo ebu eda so abutwire de no obetumi atoso ama temamufo ko mu ha won wo se yade ha dwen papa na etumi emwa madwa won mu die no so entumi enkoso wo de asemi tu dwa e wato yemanta mu takrade wo bra wo ni importers no ehia ya na wo twetwe nkomo okire mu se e wo ha kase na wono ma woni mu edin community tu no ma afie bia hwebe $20,000 million de wo ba ho ka na odi niema.
The authority has now decided to take a preemptive approach by fully enforcing our legal mandate in addressing challenges of shippers in Ghana and thus providing avenues for identifying anticipated bottlenecks to the movement of trade cargo and ensure steps are taken to prevent them. The authority also intends to proactively engage relevant state agencies like Customs with a view of shortening the time for cargo clearance. An example of this engagement will ensure that GRA follows through with the implementation of the results of its time release study, which GRA has committed to reduce cargo clearance time by 50%.
Chief Executive Officer Ghana Shippers Authority ora kwasi ba for sapon owie ya na maami Agnes Asamoduku ye ono so head of GSA Western Zonal Office obey shemukna.
This meeting is therefore intended to provide a platform for you to meet our visionary CEO to discuss some of the challenges you face in your shipping transactions. Perhaps the icing on the cake for this morning's gathering, which I like to mention to tease your appetite before I take my seat, is that as an organization which promotes and protects the interests of importers and exporters, we are going through a revisioning and realigning of processes to enhance our operations. The CEO will take us through this revisioning agenda, which I describe as a novelty.
Yewie kase bono ensu enyina ewo jamase acherechere fo ne asuafo a omo jamase Salvation Army Basic School no Fija Secure East Santimantemu en wo mo fra ban se na wie yebre ani bia bai wo mo hia ICT center ibi ne nkoda so atumi di computer sua de sanse fia ba so ne edie ewiase nyina da ye kire ne dogon aye nkuma na ye de ayedwuma Madam Elizabeth Entwi Junior wo se ankrankran so aye nsem obi onyame atom nsam mo mra na mo meboa wo mu primary school bia yare enkanere no kamomeboa wonom na monya ne kama na nkaja ne computer yi wo musunya bi no mutumi mfenhia de na adesua no enye de
they in school and paying for PTA executives any has ni JHS ni primary e kan ye hu bo mu se school ni ehia ehwa bebre e bi ti say computer school ni any computer ba kokra ye di be sua de ena afa ye ni park so enkwala no ebedi so agro classroom ni na atutu enti empani for ai hadwen say na de yemfa ensiwo na yensese ankrankro na yomumra na umra emeboye enti ena ye djumadi ni ehihye so a ekoso ebinum ti ebinum so ante enti ena de yes all students omo wa kwantu eni fie nyina wa wotie na wa wanti nyina say Mumra na mumma boy said
Monkoboa Madam Lizina obotena said ye wode tena e kasa no timu se eniema e hadwen jamase savi hai amisuku ho yet waso na PTA chama ura tapoku wono so na no tumu bia wo kire mu se no kure nie ICT no a wo ni bie no hadwen enkaja PTA no atumi akeke ho anya computer no miensa na daba mu no mudi kosie na mabuni nkoda atumi de asua de to wo sre aban no eni won ma e wo bie so mo e won mo moa
na ehuna computers different ICT it's other so ayi na ye no it's super ina computer I don't know computer amen when you say school ICT na akesi ni na everybody So called school so boku wa no ya kika ho anu tibi be mako e library. If the cat school be anti e library. If the class in say in a library wo ha school we e be tu ko ama dachi aka ni future leaders. Wa so I to be adeboa create any library.
PTA chairman no Jamasi Salvation Army Basic School ora tapoku esuni ejane de anopano siaka se bona bena we ye 21st clinic. We are the sciatica expert 15 branches across Ghana and crying ye wo no more do me market echi kuma se hwan overseas ye be Alpha Radio obwase cancel quarters chechiman ye GN bank danim kwansa hinda dabro senu mu a ena ye butuo wo twetwe no peko na kwadwo ya hye 3A co capsule and only number 2 yam team yes yade enso ene ye koko 5G any mizo wonunum bi wo ye wo topon wo jawade na bi wase a emwanim no ebe nyam papa asante ebo abenedict ni semu for penny wono na sone kasebo ekroje ma me so mbegu ho asewu ede ma de hye kuku a Veronica Jando adwuma wura wote afidie na chi ochinchem ne kama ma Kevin so abodwuma ewo MCR ho ohini ni ama kranchada zoa usof mami premeni asante mai ajimi atomo mami defu fro bapa mesa uma ken pam dede oba sariki amenya me ye mi sorry die made nyina ya boa ma betrase